Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing a Kendama unboxing. I got this package sent to me from Krom Kendama, so huge thanks to them. I have an idea of what this is and I am pretty excited to open it, so let's get started. Wow, this packaging is really nice. Packing slip. Yep, and they sent me the Slaydawg 3 Eclipse. Whoa, this thing is sick. Look at that Kendama. Wow. This thing looks crazy. That's interesting, they have a little like a gel packet to keep it fresh. Haven't seen that before. And here we have the Kendama. Oh boy. Man, this is beautiful. Let me just make sure what this is. So yeah, this is the Krom Slaydawg 3 Eclipse, and the paint is RFS Sticky Clear, which stands for, I think, real effin' sticky. So it must be pretty sticky if they call it that, man. So this is the Slaydawg 3 shape in full ash with also the base cup hole, and has that 70-30 tracking. I had the first Slaydawg Kendama, and that has to be one of my favorite Kendamas of all time, just because of how good it was for just any type of trick. For the tracking around the hole, that one was in white, but this one is in black. I guess gives it a better contrast, which is good. And has the engraving around the Ken, which is really cool. Super unique. Of course with a black string and a bullet tip spike. It has that tracking also in the center of the tama with the tracking dot on the top too. This thing is just amazing. Wow. I am super hyped to play this. A full ash Kendama always looks so nice with the grain. I mean, it's just amazing. Almost looks too nice to play. And then also just comes with an extra string and string tool. This one should have a bearing bead too. Yep, got the metal bead. Let's see, how long is this string? That's about 10 fingers. Solid. Man. This thing is amazing. I think I said amazing like 10 times already. So looking on their website, the Slaydawg 3 shape is basically a combination of the Slaydawg and Too Good Krom shape. This shape does look different from my other Kendamas too, but in a good way. It's very unique. I'm excited to see how this plays. Let's see how it compares to the Sweets Legend mod. Cup size seems about the same. Maybe the Sweets Legend mod a little bit bigger. The Ken seems a little thinner for the Krom base cup. The handle stall seems to protrude a little bit more for the Krom Kendama. And then the ring stall is a little thicker for the sweets. Yeah, so that is the Krom Kendama Slaydawg 3 Eclipse. Again, huge thanks to Krom Kendama for setting this kendama out to me. I am super excited to play with this and just jam this thing. I might even try 28 tricks later again and use this kendama for that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.